Welcome to today's online class. This is Mohammad Wahiduzzaman, lecturer in English, Kajipura Siddiqia Fazil Madrasa, Kafur, Dhaka. My dear students, today I am going to discuss about the past continuous tense. So let's get started. At first, we have to know what is the definition of the past continuous tense. The past continuous tense, also known as the past progressive tense, refers to a continuing action or state that was happening at some point in the past. Okay, so what is the structure of it? Without knowing the actual structure, you cannot make a sentence of this, the past continuous tense. So at first, we should know the structure. Here we go. The structure. At first, we need subject, then be verb. Okay, so here be verb is was, where. Then verb 1, I mean the base form of the verb, the present form of the verb, and plus ing. And last of all, we need object to make the past continuous tense. So let's read this structure. Subject, be verb, was, where, plus verb 1 plus ing plus object. So let's discuss some examples to make it clear. Okay, examples. Number 1, I was playing football with my friends. I was playing football with my friends. I was playing football with my friends. Here I is subject and be here is auxiliary verb. And you know, was is appropriate to the subject I. Then verb 1 here, play is verb 1 and I have added ing with this verb 1. Okay, so it becomes playing and football with my friends, the remaining part of the sentence. So it's past continuous tense because we have followed the structure. Okay, then another sentence. He was singing an Islamic song. He was singing an Islamic song. He was singing an Islamic song. It's also the past continuous tense because we have subject, then was, and singing here the continuous mood, and an Islamic song is object. So it's the first continuous tense. Let's move on to the another examples. Number 3, Walid was reading the book. Walid was reading the book. Walid was reading the book. It's also the first continuous tense. As we have subject Walid, then was where Walid, was is appropriate to the subject Walid, and reading, read is the principal verb, and ing is added with this principal verb, and the book is the object. So it's the first continuous tense. Number 4. They were discussing with the mature. They were discussing with the mature. They were discussing with the mature. Here they is subject, where is appropriate to the subject they. Okay, then discuss, verb 1, and ing is added with this principal verb and with the mature. It's object here. So they were discussing with the mature. It's the first continuous tense. Number 5. She was writing an article on the topic. She was writing an article on the topic. She was writing an article on the topic. The first continuous tense. As we have written this sentence following the above structure. Subject, be, was, were, verb 1 plus ing plus object. Here we also have subject, then be, verb, was, were, writing, write is the principal verb, and ing is added with this verb, and article on the topic. Okay, so she was writing an article on the topic. I'm going to write down another example for a better understanding. My dear students, if you wanna make the first continuous tense, you have to memorize the structure at first. Number 6. The police was chasing the thief. The police was chasing the thief. The police was chasing the thief. The past continuous tense. Number 7. You were studying English all day yesterday. You were studying English all day yesterday. You are studying English all day yesterday. It's also the past continuous tense. As we have subject you and where is used according to the subject you. You know, where is appropriate to you. Okay, then study is the main verb, principal verb. It's the verb one, and I have added ing with this verb one. So it appears as studying. Then English all day, yesterday. So it is the past continuous tense. You are studying English all day yesterday. So my dear students, it was my part 6 class. In my next part you will see another class, and till then Allah Hafiz. That's all for the time being. Thank you for watching my class.